BrahMos, the supersonic cruise missile igniting global geopolitical interest. Is the BrahMos missile the key to rebalancing power in a multipolar world? Operation Sindoor showcased its devastating precision, and now nations worldwide are lining up to acquire this game-changing weapon. The BrahMos missile system has rapidly transitioned from a point of national pride for India to a sought-after strategic asset on the global stage. Its combat debut during Operation Sindoor, while never officially confirmed by India, sent a clear message about its capabilities and reliability. This operation served as a powerful demonstration, showcasing the missile's precision and effectiveness in a real-world scenario. The impact of this demonstration cannot be overstated, as it has directly fueled the growing international interest in acquiring the BrahMos. India's landmark deal with the Philippines in January 2022, valued at an estimated $375 million, marked a pivotal moment. This agreement represented India's first major defense export, setting a precedent for future collaborations and solidifying its position as a credible arms exporter. The delivery of the first BrahMos battery to the Philippines in April 2024 was a significant milestone, followed by the second battery in April 2025. This acquisition strengthens the Philippines' coastal defense capabilities and signals a strategic alignment in the face of regional security challenges. Negotiations for a potential $450 million deal to supply BrahMos missiles to Indonesia have been ongoing for nearly a decade, highlighting the complexities of international arms procurement. Indonesia's interest in an advanced version of the missile underscores its commitment to acquiring cutting-edge technology. Acquiring the BrahMos would significantly enhance Indonesia's maritime security capabilities, allowing it to better protect its vast archipelago and assert its sovereignty in the face of growing regional tensions. This deal could be a game-changer for Indonesia's strategic posture. Vietnam's interest in acquiring BrahMos missiles for both its army and navy, with a deal estimated at $700 million, reflects its determination to bolster its defense capabilities. This acquisition would provide Vietnam with a significant deterrent against potential threats in the South China Sea. Malaysia is also eyeing the BrahMos to equip its Sukhoi Su-30 MKM fighter jets and Kedah-class warships, further demonstrating the missile's versatility and adaptability to various platforms. This move would enhance Malaysia's ability to project power and protect its maritime interests. The list of countries expressing interest in the BrahMos extends beyond Southeast Asia, encompassing nations across the globe. Thailand, Singapore, Brunei, Brazil, Chile, Argentina, Venezuela, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Qatar, and Oman have all expressed varying degrees of interest. This widespread interest underscores the BrahMos' appeal as a reliable and effective weapon system, capable of addressing a wide range of security challenges. The missile's versatility and proven performance make it an attractive option for nations seeking to modernize their armed forces. Experts believe that China's growing military assertiveness in the South China Sea is a key driver behind the increasing demand for the BrahMos. The missile's capabilities provide a credible deterrent against potential aggression and help maintain regional stability. Ahmad Rizki Umar, an international relations expert, highlights the logical interest of countries like the Philippines and Indonesia, who share maritime territories and face potential threats. Anastasia Fabiola emphasizes that acquiring the BrahMos would be a game-changer for any navy, strengthening deterrence capabilities in an uncertain geopolitical landscape. The BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile developed through a joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenia. Its ability to be launched from submarines, ships, aircraft, and land platforms makes it a highly versatile weapon system. With a range of nearly 300 kilometers and the ability to carry a 200 to 300 kilograms warhead, the BrahMos delivers a devastating punch. Its supersonic speed of 2.8 Mach makes it difficult to intercept, while its advanced guidance system ensures high accuracy. India has made significant strides in indigenizing the production of the BrahMos, with approximately 83% of its components now sourced domestically. This achievement strengthens India's defense industrial base and reduces its reliance on foreign suppliers. The development of a next-generation variant, weighing significantly less and with an extended range of around 400 kilometers, will further enhance the BrahMos' capabilities. This lighter version will allow fighter jets to carry more missiles, increasing their firepower and operational effectiveness. The recent inauguration of a new BrahMos facility in Lucknow, attended by prominent Indian leaders, underscores the government's commitment to the missile program. The explicit mention of Operation Sindoor during the event served as a powerful endorsement of the BrahMos' effectiveness. Statements from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath highlighted the missile's impact and its role in deterring potential adversaries. These endorsements further solidify the BrahMos' reputation as a strategic asset of national importance. The growing global demand for the BrahMos missile system signals a potential shift in the geopolitical landscape. As more nations acquire this advanced weapon, they gain the ability to project power and deter aggression, contributing to a more balanced and multipolar world. The BrahMos is not just a missile. It is a symbol of technological innovation, strategic autonomy, and the changing dynamics of international relations. Its impact will be felt for years to come. Military analysts, geopolitical strategists, and international media, the rise of the BrahMos missile demands your attention. Delve deeper into its technological capabilities, analyze its strategic implications, and assess its impact on regional and global power dynamics. Now is the time to subscribe to our channel for in-depth analysis of global defense trends. Share this video with your network to spark informed discussions. Comment below with your insights on the BrahMos and its role in shaping the future of international security.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా కాయ్ టీవీని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మీ విలువైన అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో తెలియజేయండి.